Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain the home remedies of cough. Basically, cough is a protective reflex. Why? Because if some particle stuck in our throat, we try to cough it out. So, by coughing, we try to remove the particle which is obstructed in the throat. Because of this, cough is a protective reflex. There are different types of cough depending upon the sputum. If sputum is not present in the cough, we call as dry cough. Whereas in the wet cough, the cough is associated with the sputum production or mucus. And depending upon the duration also, we categorize cough into two types: acute cough and chronic cough. In acute cough, the duration of cough is less than a month. Whereas in chronic cough, people experience cough since years or months together. Coming to the reasons of cough, there are several reasons, but the most common we encounter is allergy, flu, sinusitis, in conditions with asthma, and gastroesophageal reflux disease, where the food or acids comes from the stomach and enters into the esophagus, and in conditions with pneumonia, tuberculosis, and cough also most commonly seen in people who smoke and who work in factories, etc. And we also encounter cough who people who take medicines for blood pressure, that is angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. These are all the different reasons of cough. Coming to the treatment, please remember that the treatment or home remedies I am going to say in this video will reduce only the acute cough. That is the cough because of viral infection only we can reduce this cough by these home remedies. So, first home remedy is drinking lots of water. Drinking lots of water helps the mucus to hydrate it, and because of this the secretions are cleared. Next comes the second home remedy is steam inhalation. Steam inhalation is also effective remedy because steam makes the mucus soft. Thereby this mucus can be easily expelled out. So steam inhalation is also remedy. Third one is very important, that is honey. Taking 1 teaspoon of honey daily during night time can reduce the cough during night, because honey is an antibacterial property and it has antioxidant property as well as anti-inflammatory property. So honey is one of the best remedy for cough. But be cautious and remember that honey should not be used in children below 1 year. Because why? Because if we use honey for children below 1 year, it may cause toxicity in the child and child may ruin the life also. So please don't use honey for children below the 1 year. And other remedy is placing one or two pillows below the head. Because of head elevation, there are high chances to get a better sleep, and also we can reduce the cough during night time. So please follow this home remedy to reduce the cough, especially during night time. And the fifth remedy is taking warm flavored soup, etc. Taking warm drinks, soups, etc. may soothe your throat and also reduce the cough. And other remedy is when you are sleeping, make sure you switch off the fan, and because Switching off the fan can reduce the dust and unconditioned air from the fan. So please switch off the fan and sleep when you experience cough during nighttime. You can use AC because from AC we'll get conditioned air. So please switch off the fan during night cough. And now I'm going to tell uh, words few words about the cough drop or syrup. Most of the people will buy cough syrup from the medical stores, but you should know two words before buying it. First one is antitussive and other is expectorant. Antitussive is generally used to reduce the dry cough. So if you don't have any sputum, if you have only cough, you can buy antitussives. If you have sputum as well as cough, please buy syrup with expectorant. I repeating once again, dry cough buy only antitussives. For wet cough buy expectorant syrup. It is labeled on the syrup whether it is an antitussive or expectorant or antitussive or expectorant. Read this carefully and buy the syrup. Okay, and please don't use syrup for children below the 12 years of age. Please consult your doctor and buy the syrup for children. Coming to the prevention of cough, the main preventive measure is to avoid the triggers. If you feel that you are coughing because of the tobacco or smoke or because of the factory smoke, avoid this and avoid the conditions like weather change. If you feel like by weather change you are getting cough, try to avoid going out if any weather is changed. Coming to the cough hygiene, whenever you cough, make sure you cover your mouth with a bent elbow rather than using hands. This minimizes the spread of droplets, thereby minimizes the spread of infection. And please consult your doctor if cough does not reduce with the home remedies for more than 15 days, and if the cough continues more than 15 days, or if you experience cough with blood sputum, yellow sputum, greenish color sputum, or you experience cough with fever, body aches, swelling, breathlessness, etc., please consult your doctor. This is all about the home remedies of cough. Thank you for watching.